Hello everyone, welcome to our prototype Teamder for Educathon 2.0. Let's begin by signing in. So as I sign in, I have already created an account, Technomain Salt Lake, and I have selected particular skills under that account. Now, Teamder is a platform where students or individuals enthusiastic about finding teammates for hackathons or any other group projects can come to find teammates. So if we come under find team, you can see other people that have registered on Teamder. So Zotix, and I can see the percentage of matching based on the skill set that they have. So I am not particularly fond, so I can just do a left swap. This, in fact, is inspired from Tinder and other dating profiles which have a left swipe for rejection and right swap for matching feature. So as you can see, Rimil Mukherjee, my teammate, we have a 38% match. So I am not going to match with her. Let's see, Aditya Singh. So we have kind of complementary skills, which is why he has a 98% match. So I will match with him. So Aditya Singh is now among my match teammates, and Pragga Mukherjee is already matched. And let's see, Ramesh Chaudhary is a 68% match. So, okay, fine, I'll just match with him. And Rohit Verma, also my teammate, is a 60% match, but I will not match with him. So that is my list of teammates. Now, under the overview section, I can see that I have 3 team members, and I can see in my recent activity that I have connected with Aditya Singh and Ramesh Chaudhary, Chakraborty, etc. Now that I have found my teammates, I will go forward and create a project. So let's create a new project called Educathon 2.0, and I want to make Teamder. And let's add all 3 of the team members into this project and click on create project. Here we can see as we open my Educathon 2.0 project, it has a Kanban inspired board where you can add a task like create PPT and add a basic description and assign it to people in your team. For example, I assign it to Aditya Singh and set its priority to high. Okay, and add task. I'll create another task with a title prototype and add some random description and assign it to Mr. Ramesh and set its priority to high. So we have 2 tasks. If we go back to our projects, we can see that its progress is 0%, which is understandable because we have not completed any of our tasks. Now, if for instance, Ramesh starts working on creating the prototype, now he can drag and drop the task in the under progress section. And if we again go back to our projects, we can still see that the progress is 0% because we have not finished with any of the tasks. Now, for instance, if we have completed the task called create PPT, if Aditya has done it, he will drag and drop it in the done section. So since this task is done, and if we go back to our projects, we can see that 50% of our work is done. And if Ramesh completes it and drags it to the done section, and if we go back to the projects again, we can see it's 100% completed. So yeah, that is how Teamder works. Now, if we want, we can see the projects that other people have created. For instance, here we can see a project by Aditya Singh, who is actually one of my teammates now. So, like this, if we create on view details, we can see the tech stack, etc., and the code. And we can also use this or copy the code, etc. In this way, in order to find teammates, We can also see the past work that a particular person or individual that you are interested in has done. And lastly, if we come to profile, we can see that my skill set and also edit profile, like change the DP, etc. And also achievements like I have connected with some teammates, and if I have been a project leader, for instance, I have was the project leader in Educathon 2.0. Another instance, another important feature here, which comes under my projects, for instance, is raise pulse. Now, raise pulse is a very crucial feature because if you have a problem, if a team member has a problem with something, with a particular feature or anything like that, he or she can raise an issue regarding that and enter some random description and suggest some solution like and set its priority, and we can post it anonymously as well. So this is how you can raise a pulse. And if you want to see, under the recent activity section, a new pulse is raised, which basically says that you don't like the color scheme of Educathon 2.0. So in this way, um, Teamder will help individuals like students or anyone interested in order to find teammates as well as work dedicatedly on a particular project wherein people will be assigned particular tasks and you can easily see the progress on the progress bar. In fact, the progress can also be shown graphically with the help of pie chart as such, but we have not yet implemented it. But further we can. In the end, there is a dark mode and light mode toggle bar, and that is what concludes our very good project, Teamder. Thank you.